The idea behind the Gardens of Somerset is to create a multi-generational community. And what that means is, how do we bring what has been traditionally a senior living facility more into the fabric of community? And so what we have, of which I'm very excited about, is almost 20 acres juxtaposed a vibrant neighborhood. And so you already have built in this opportunity for a very dynamic exchange between generations, which I think is terribly, terribly important. The other thing that the Gardens of Somerset is, it's a place where people can connect with nature and a place where food is important. In fact, the concept really behind it was Moss Mountain Farm. And because here we take food very seriously. We're organic, we're connected to nature, and we love to receive people, and we love to teach. We have lunches and learn and all these sorts of things. And it just seemed to Mr. Thomason that the idea was that, well, maybe we could take some of the programmatic components that go on at Moss Mountain Farm, some of the philosophies that we adopt here, and let's apply this to a new idea, a multi-generational community.